Hello guys. Today, in another video, I am going to teach you. Let's talk about oil paint, and how to apply on canvas. But before that, I show you which paint are practically used by some artist. Winsor Newton is the best for its purity, quality and reliability. Artist oil colors provide the widest range of colors, the highest pigment strength, and best clarity colors. Now, I am using the product that I buy in eBay called Dolchem Linseed Oil. Due to its glossy textures and the colors saturated, when the oil has dried up. Oil painting is a fantastic medium and was generally preferred for experts and masters. As we begin, let me show you the first layer of our landscape. I applied a thin layer of oil paints to penetrate the surface of the canvas, and wait for a day before applying another layer. As what you can see, first layer of colors look dull for the first application. And we are trying to reach the quality of its water waves, and the right compositions of each colors. Now, begin to apply a yellow color. And add a layer of white, and blend. Linseed oil is the best way to blend, so mix it with linseed, and apply. Mixing colors with oil is very easy compared to acrylic. The best way you can blend is as long the paint is wet. But make sure to clean the surface before applying your mediums, to avoid the dust that can possibly stick to the surfaces of your artwork. If you want to learn more about paintings for life, apply and hit the bell button, and subscribe for more upcoming videos and free painting lessons. Maraming salamat.